Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the speaker. Charge the Vibe Flex to at least 20% so the reset completes without interruption. Once charged, power it on and disconnect any active Bluetooth pairings. This prevents automatic reconnection during the procedure. Make sure you can access the power button and both volume buttons. These controls are required. Keep the speaker on a flat surface. A stable position prevents accidental button presses. Now move to the exact button sequence that triggers the factory reset. You now perform the reset. Press and hold the power button together with volume up for about 10 seconds. During this time, observe the LED. A flashing sequence or color change signals the device is entering reset mode. Keep pressure steady. Intermittent holds can abort the operation. Once you hear a confirmation tone or see the LED pattern change distinctly, release both buttons. This clears paired devices and return settings to factory defaults, so make sure you want to erase stored connections. After the reset completes, power cycle the speaker by turning it off and on. This finalizes the restore. You should then re-enable Bluetooth on your phone and select JBL Vibe Flex to repair the device. If pairing fails, make sure the speaker is discoverable and within range. If the reset did not take, no LED change or tone, fully discharge the battery until it shuts off, charge to 20% plus, and repeat the button sequence. That usually resolves stubborn resets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.